What is up guys, AlexTV back in another video. Today we're going to be doing a room update. This is going to be a new series I am going to be making since I am moving into a new house. I'm finally going to be having my own room and stuff. So yeah, as you can see, this is going to be my new room right here. I completely removed the entire carpet. It was pretty easy. All I had to do is take like a scalpel knife and like take rows and rows. I had to just cut rows, like nice neat rows. I had to fold up the carpet, take it and then just throw it out, and then the foam was handled by someone else. But the carpet removal was pretty easy, as you can see guys. This is gonna be my new room. I am just making a quick update series. As you can see, I'm gonna go show my brother's room because that's the other cleanest one. As you can see, this whole place was carpet. We completely ripped everything out here. There were like veins and stuff, and there are like needles all around here to like support the carpet, and there's like foam under. So we completely ripped out the entire flooring, as you guys can see over here. There's nothing left over here. So as we go back to my room, there is just this mattress here, but I'm gonna be showing you guys some of my ideas that's gonna be happening. Over here we have some clothes. I don't know what it's doing here, but first of all, we're gonna have everything here removed. We're gonna have this shelf removed. We're gonna have this light removed, these blinds removed. This whole room is getting completely redone with the same flooring as here. So it's just gonna be expanded onto here. Same with that room over there. It's gonna be the same exact flooring as it is over there. My desk is gonna be over here with the nano leaves with the sound panels on the side. I'm gonna be having a lac shelf right here to display all my stuff I did at my old house. I'm gonna be having a nice closet over here with a light gray stained IKEA Malm shelf, the M-A-L-M. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Everybody pronounces it differently, but it's a 4-drawer chest, gray stained. I'm gonna be having it right here. This whole place is getting completely redone. Over here, I'm gonna be having my IKEA M-A-L-M, the Malm bed, as well as both of the light gray stained dressers that are currently out of stock and have been out of stock for a couple of months now. Yeah, I'm gonna be having 3 shirt frames over here, my 2 Mr. Beast shirt frames, and 1 custom one that I'm gonna decide on later, as well as 3 sound panels. I already have half of the stuff purchased, as you guys, I will show you in a later room tour. I have this mattress over here because one of my family members is sleeping here because we're currently moving, but this will be all redone in the next few weeks. As you can see, this light's getting removed, this door is getting repainted, everything's gonna be gone here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this introductory review tour and like what you guys have to expect to come. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you all in another video.